Hello again. We're in March and we're trying to do all our larches which are budding out, get them what we have to do just before they go into full bud. We've done maples and now it's larch. Maples and larch are always first to come out with us. So we're just looking things over and seeing what we're doing with this. Now I think this is not a particularly nice looking potential bonsai, but we might grow it as a twin trunk here and here. We might do this and this one and cut this one off, but at the moment we've got a nice thick system down here, trunk and the barry, so we'll carry on still thinking what we're going to do this year with it. Or this one and this one, or this one and this one, or just the single one in the middle. We are looking at this is one that we have put in a bonsai pot, and we'll take the wiring off just very soon. I don't know if it's fixed. It's a bit rough at the moment. I haven't done very much to it, so we'll wait until this one gets a little bit greener just to make sure that everything's okay before we start. Hello again. A friend of mine dug this up. He was clearing some ground and asked if I would like it, and I said, oh yes please. This is a larch and we're trying to make it into a bonsai. We're going to make it into a bonsai, so let's see what we can do with it. It's got a nice curve here. What am I doing here? That's a nice line here, and this is a nice line here. So I'm thinking, what am I thinking? Now we've got a line here that goes like so. The other thing about keeping these lower branches, the lower branches, if we leave them, it will thicken up this area down here and make it more credible. Bit radical, but that's the shape we're going for. This is a bit thick here. And we're gonna tell you what we're gonna do with that. We're going to plant that up and it should grow and it should produce more branches that we can work on. We have to shorten it now. What's that doing there? Like this. Just to put these, set these branches in place. and that just kind of sets them off in the right direction. So there we have it. That is the bones of our larch. We could put it in a, I suppose we could put it in a bonsai pot, but I'm more concerned with actually growing it on. Leave that moss in there as protection. I'm more concerned with growing it on, and in a year's time we'll look at it again. Just going to tie these in. So if we do something, something like that. I'm going to leave that moss in there. Moss is a great addition to anything. So there we have it. That was a quickish demonstration of a tree that a friend of mine found in his waste ground as he was clearing the ground. Would you like it? He said. I sure would. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Coffee is a coffee. Is there any coffee here?